my YouTuber friends. Well, I'm back on the water. I just can't resist. I should really be pheasant hunting this weekend, but god dang it, the fish are still biting. I like making my videos, and so here I am again. Well, I'm up here at one of the local lakes around Des Moines. I'm going to do a little dock fishing. See if I can pick up some crappies. Once again, oh, the water temperature, I got it on this time. It's 44 degrees, so it's actually warmer than Clear Lake last weekend, and we just hammered the crappies in the perch last weekend. So I'm thinking I'm going to do pretty good today, but we'll see what happens. You know, it's fishing. So thanks for coming along on my little adventures. Yeah, let's see if we can catch some crappies today. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to start the day off here cruising the docks with my side imaging on, looking underneath the docks and seeing which one has fish on it. Started doing this last year at the Lake of the Ozarks, and it worked out pretty dang good. So let's watch side imaging here. I'm going to get it over to the left side. I'll see what we can find. There's a fish right there. So that's, oh yeah, there's a lot of fish right there. So this is the ends of the docks as we go by. And I got it a little 50 foot out to the side, so I think I found the dock right back there we're gonna go hit first. They're right on the end. Well, hey everybody. So I cruised these docks and done a little side image searching. Got my line in the water and got a bite before I even got GoPro turned back on. So let's see if we can get that fish to commit. It's hitting it right there. Swing it on over here and watch the bobber for a second. So this is what we're onto right here. Had to roll up and get a snag out, so pulled up on them. That's pretty good school of crappies underneath there. There we go. That's the first fish of the day. Not a crappie, but a big old bluegill though. Not too shabby. Bet I've had a few minnows stole by those bluegill so far. I've had a few misses. Let's get her back out there and see if we can get a crappie on this go round. At least got fish biting, not skunked. That's a good start to the day. It's only been about a half hour anyways. I pulled back here to where I got that fish a second ago. And pretty sure I got one messing with it right now. Well, got the first crappie of today. Not very big, but hopefully there's a school of them here. Pretty little fish, little white crappie. You see the stripes in it. All right. Let's see if get some more fish going over here. Well, my YouTuber friends, it started to rain and it's only about 34 degrees, so this is the end, my friends. It's the end of the season. Probably my last time out in the boat. Looking forward to some ice. Yep. Not looking forward to cold weather at work, but looking forward to some ice for some ice fishing. So we'll see you on the next go round. I'm gonna pick away at it for a little while longer here, maybe see if I can pick something else up, but gonna get pretty wet pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Had a pretty good season this year. Appreciate all you guys subscribing. Hope to see you during ice season. Well, that might be the last fish of the year right here for the open water in Iowa. Forgot earlier. I made my big exit. I still got to go to Lake of the Ozarks yet for a trip, so I guess I got one more open water trip before I get on the ice. Final ride out. Oh, she's rainy and she's windy. Could be worse though.